Welcome to Core Insight Channel, the health and self-improvement channel that improves your life. The material in this video is sourced from the book, Obesity Code, by Dr. Jason Fung. One of the best books ever written on the subject of health. In this video, you will find that dietary fat and overeating are not the leading causes of obesity. So what are the main causes of obesity? Watch this video until the end if you are curious. Let's get started. It is a common opinion in this society that the intake of calories in our bodies is the cause of obesity, even though this is not true. This opinion has been formed and instilled in our minds since childhood, so it is difficult for us to refute it, even though the rebuttal comes from experts. This misconception is one of the dozens of stories about the causes of obesity, and it has been rooted in most people's minds since long ago. It happens because of their poor understanding of science. Indeed, the opinion that calories cause obesity seems logical to most people, but this reasonable opinion cannot detect what actually causes obesity. Instead of being able to achieve their ideal body weight, they are trapped in a yo-yo diet cycle. It is for this reason that this video is here before you. I will disassemble this fundamental misconception about what actually causes obesity. Maybe you will be surprised when I say that most of the fat that has been accused of being one of the culprits of obesity is actually a molecule in the human body that is very important for your healthy diet program. It's not without reason that I say this. Everything I present in this video is sourced from various recent studies, including the fact that substances that actively promote obesity are refined sugars and carbohydrates. Of course, you ask how this can happen. Well, this occurs by the mechanism of chemicals made by special cells of the endocrine glands to affect various systems and processes that occur in the body that we know as hormones. And the hormone responsible for the obesity you experience is the hormone insulin. Well, how the mechanism of the insulin hormone causes obesity will be discussed in the following video. So please click on this video card. If you want to watch a more comprehensive summary of the Obesity Code book, please click on this video card. In this video, I break it down into 10 core insights that discuss new facts you never thought about the causes of obesity. By knowing these facts, we can be proactive in maintaining health and avoiding obesity.